Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's going to engrave this photo on a wood round. First of all, it looks really good. I think it's going to engrave great. But they don't want the solid circle dead, edge photo. So for the one I'm doing it for, I took your photo out of Power Clip so I could utilize it. I don't like Power Clip. And I've already kind of come up with this. It's just personal preference. There's two ways you could, well, there's a lot of other ways, but two main ways. First, I thought about the distort tool and get the distort tool and set it on 0, and you don't have to do anything, just kind of like just barely moving it, it gets a distortion. It's a little hard to control. You can later take it and convert it to a curve, then get your smoothing tool and actually kind of smooth out some of that. But that might look pretty good. But the other one I thought about is the roughing tool. The roughing tool is underneath your shape tool. We don't, as a laser engraver, I don't get to use the roughing tool because we're trying to smooth things out. There's a bunch of different settings here. Set this on 45, which is probably default. I don't even know what this does. 1-inch nib, and just barely touch it. The longer you stay on there, you could go all the way around. I think in this personal preference, but just barely touch it, and you got to be on it first. And then even with this, that looks pretty good. If I was going to do it. You could still take this and convert it to a curve. Well, I guess it's already a curve because I might have done it. And then take your smoothing tool and actually, smooth them out a little bit. Some of them more than others. And then the reason I don't like Power Clip is I like Intersect. For a lot of reasons, I've actually heard that sometimes Power Clip will actually print off the edge, and this doesn't because it takes everything away. And the other reason I like it, so go right up here to your weld tool and hit Intersect. And a lot of times that does that, so nudge it down, then there's your picture. Of course, you're not going to want that ring anyway. So that gives you kind of a rough edge, and, just play with that more so in other. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. And the other reason I like Intersect over this, I still got my picture. When you do Power Clip, it goes away and you have to take the contents out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.